So first we be pro with the shadows and play with the colors, perfect an eyeliner, eyeshadow, then go with mascara, sorry lashes, blah, blah, blah. This is Twinkle and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, so hey, I am Twinkle and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle, makeup and skincare. So today I am going to show you how to do a beginner's eye makeup. If you are a teenager, you are new at makeup, so don't worry, I'll show you how to do a eye makeup in just 2 minutes. Yeah, I literally bet on you. You can do it in just 2 minutes. No issue, just start practicing, you will be pro at it. Yes, so without any further delay, let's get into the video. But first, don't forget to hit like button if you like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel now. Let's go. So here beginners have to keep in mind that you don't have to play with colors, especially with the neon and the dark and the poppy colors. You have to play with the colors which are very subtle, nude and warm toned. The shade which I am taking is this. This is very light brown, not that much light, means something in the medium. So I'll put this shade here above my crease to give a full transition. And even if you mess with it, do not worry, it will not look bad. We can adjust it. Taking a fluffy brush, and I'm just use very light hand. Now I'm taking a highlighter shade, whichever suits you. I'm taking, there is a palette. I'm taking this shade. This shades look very good on my skin and goes with this also. So I'm taking this shade on a flat brush and putting it on the middle of my eyeball. See. The most important thing in eye makeup is blending. If you blend well, any kind of shade, any kind of look you are going to create, it will look good. So I have used only 2 colors because it's a look or a tutorial for beginners. So that's why I have used 2 shades only. Now what I'll do, I'll again take the first shade and I'll start putting on my outer corner as well as start blending the shimmery shade like this. Then take a clean brush in which no color is there, start blending the whole product. After blending, my shade is diffused so much and now it is looking very warm, very neutral. Now what I will do, I'll take little highlighter on my finger and I'll put on my brow bone and on my inner corners. In any eye look, filling brows is very important thing. It plays a very important role that how you fill your brows. Initially, I used not to fill my brows. I think I have fluffy, I have bushy eyes. So I don't need that much, but now I have realized that it plays a very important role. First thing you have to keep in mind that don't use pencils that too of black color. No. Avoid black, avoid pencils. As much as you avoid pencils, you will play very safe. So I am taking a dark brown shade, this one, and I am start filling it with an angular brush and very light hand. So I'll go upward. Do it according to the direction of the hair. Okay, it's time for liner. You can skip it or you can do it. Our liner is done. Now what you have to do, if you are a kajal person, you can put on kajal. You can put on any color kajal like black, brown, blue, whatever you want. But I am not a kajal person. I am not going to put it. If you want, if you like, if you can put it. I am going to do what? The shade which I have taken here for transition, I am using that shade for my lower lash line. The last step, which is most important according to me, is mascara. You cannot skip mascara. You cannot skip mascara even on the lower lash line. You have to put it for completing your eye look. So I'm just putting a generous coat of mascara as I'm not putting falsies. So here I have completed my one eye look. I am just completing the second look and coming back to you. So yeah, this was it for today's video. I hope you liked it and I hope that you find it easy to do. If yes, then please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends who require this video. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.